Hello people, I'm going to capture a, a basis installation of Drupal and to be installed on Linux 5. Linux Centos. So before installation, I'm going to make sure that make sure I'm still located in that folder. I'm going to that folder already. It's the web root folder. Second one, I make sure that all my MySQL and my web server are running at the moment. So at the moment I have web and database is running. So next one, I'm going to download the Drupal for my version. So I believe that version is not run on my Linux CentOS at the moment. That's my Linux, it won't run. Okay. You name dash a. That's my Linux, and my PHP is the old one. So I need to get a that's my version. But as I know, this version it won't run on my PHP 5.1. It should be 5.2. So I'm going to get the older version, right? So it depends what Linux you have and what PHP you have and MySQL. So I'm going to get the older version, one of version 6 here. Get version 6.3. Okay, I'm going to get this one, right? I download that here. So I get the shortcut, right click, get shortcut, come here, run my wget, and then I paste there and get the download of my Drupal 6.3 directly. You should run this if your machine not behind proxy. Okay, 1.5 gigabyte, megabyte. Okay, now I'm going to unzip them. All right, done. So that's my unzip command. Remember, unzip command, tar and then unzip. Now I'm going to this folder, yeah, cd Drupal. That's the file there. Now, so I know what is the file location now. I'm going to my Windows computer. Go to Windows, and my Linux computer would be the IP address is, where's my Windows computer? That's my Windows IP address, yeah. Go to my Windows, type in there, my Linux running, and Drupal 3, right? Drupal 6.30. Okay, now ready for installation. Click next, installation. Now I have to follow all of this instruction required. So I have to do two tasks. One task is here, another task is writable for web folder. Remember, that is the folder, right? This folder there. So I'm going to here again, cd to site. No, yeah, cd to site. And then what do I have here? I have default folder there. I show you the L say 2, right? 3. So now on the side, that's a folder. I have a folder, default folder, and the file name there. Okay. So you see the hierarchy label there. So I'm going to copy. What is that? Default, and then default there become default, and then setting .php. Double check them, look all right. Settings. Okay, now I'm going to give full permission, right, for default. At the moment is 5755. I remember that, I come back later, but I give permission now for full of all of them, 777 default. Okay, then when I finish, I will come back, I change that to 755, 755, not 77. Okay, so hopefully this message should be disappear now, and if you got issue, you can go to installation, right? Now I'll come back, refresh this, make this message disappear. Now the database. I'm going to create the database for my Drupal. So go for database. Have MySQL run already. Just show databases. At the moment, I got no Drupal database. Create the database. That's my create. Sorry. Okay, done. So now Drupal have been created, the database. Next one, I give username a permission, right? So I have here before. So let me run. This is my example only. So use as your one. You got to change that. So give own privilege. Again, this is trial only. Don't run that in the real life and based on the setting that belong to Drupal, more detail. So that's it. The Drupal database, username, and the local host, and then the password there. Okay, hit the button. Done. And then I'm going out. Done my database. Drupal username, LP password, and then next. Okay. So remember, put them back. All right. Remember, remove that when it's done. Okay. Remove have been so remove the right permission. That do that later. But we're carrying now. Testing Drupal on CentOS 5.10. Sample CMS. Email testing as test. You make your real email, right? Okay, don't fake. Then going to put your administrator account. Do whatever you wish to. At the moment, I put as admin for now. Password, I make a simple one. All right, remember, try to remember about that email, right? So repeat again, fill this information in, and then carry on. You're happy with that? Disable that, make them automatic check-in, save them. All other check-in, you got to fix them out by yourself, right? More information, read from the website. So that my installation has been done. Now you can log out, log back in, username. Done. That's your Drupal. All right, welcome and best of luck. And make sure come back here and make your permission back to default, right? Here, make the permission back to default. So CSM dash R for recursive, and then 755, and then default. Okay, I'm done. All right, that's how Drupal is set up on CentOS. Best of luck. Bye for now.